Right now it is 3:28 and we're going to Santa Ana. Someone isn't happy for something. I'm not happy. It's too early or too late. We're just waiting on our mum to come out so we can leave and we can meet up with the rest of the family. Hello everyone, we've stopped for coffee. I think it's been like 2 hours maybe since we've left.
And I've been awake actually.
Stop, stay.
What the hell?
I don't know, but that was gross. Hey guys. Hi! Isa din dalawa. Ay, di wag.
Yan. Ganun mo nga yan. Uy!
May warning.
Di naman ako nagtusok.
Oh! Hangin. Wow, naging music video to.
I miss your face. Ay, yung pa ako naman. Ano ba yan?
Ayun na yung dagat to.
Sensor mo, tas 18 na emoji. Yan lang.
Sige nga.
Oh.
Hindi practice.
Go.
Kaya mo.
Sige, sayo ka na. Wow! Girl, I see! We're at the beach.
Let's go get away.
Ang ingay! The beach! Hi!
Shay!
Ashay!
Wow!
Maka-video.
Hey guys! We're going to Banana Boat.
Do you all know me from?
Morning! Smile! Say hi! Mag-hi ka ba? It's so bright, I can't see. It's also 20 to 8 and it's so bright and it's so hot already. We're going on a walk. It's so hot, like insanely hot. I'm going to die and drown in my own sweat. Yes. Ayun si... Serve. Hey guys, we're eating. Thank you. Thanks.
Ayaw mo.
Anak na sa.
Alis na kami. Bye-bye.
Magpaskasin siya ang latan. Magpinpidasin siya kay latan. Kaduduwa kay lang pinagkagkadwa. Wala ka lang kaya pa.
Sige po. Bye.
Gamin mo
Bye!
Iba kami kinimanong mo.
Bye! Bye! Ano ba yan? Ayoko na. Oh my god, it's chicken. A person?
Batik tita ko. Pantay ka tanay.
Dapat dun kami.
We're at MOA. We're eating at Super Bowl. I'm so hungry. Wow, look at all our food. Meron pa.
It's the automobile gangster.
We just finished eating, now we're just walking around. I literally only have like 1K.
0.
I don't know if I want a bench t-shirt because of Van Hyven or if I want Innisfree because of Wonyoung. MOA Part 2. Saan yung globe? Ay, saan yung globe? Gutom na po ako. Joke lang, walang upaan. We finished eating, it was very good. I'm very full. We're just walking around now. I want to spend money, but like, I literally don't know what to buy.
I left my money.
Yeah, he left his money because we didn't know we were going MOA. Smile. Guys, I bought something. It wasn't planned, but I got 2 photo cards. Hey guys!
They didn't tell.
We didn't tell our parents that we're leaving, but we left.
Hindi sila nagpaalam for Filipino viewers.
Go!
Parang nakakapit siya sa... Nakita ko kasi diba sa ibang bansa Walmart. Dito Walter.
Ay! Yan. Vlog ka na dito.
Ay, kunwari kumukuha ka. Hindi mag-vlog kayo, tapos kunwari random akong tao. Parang kayo din pag hey guys.
Hey guys!
Ay, cut mo yun.
Ano na? Bango.
Bago yan. Ay! SM time. Hi. We're gonna watch Barbie. Barbie fit. Wow. Walang tao. Wow.
What's up guys? We rented the whole cinema. Say hi.
Hi. Ay. Hi.
I-show namin later yung reaction namin sa opening.
We're walking to Hypermart. I need to buy stuff for... Oh! Okay. Ganito naman yung sa akin. Wala na iba. Hey guys!
Hi guys! Seryoso mo. Wait, seryoso. Ay, seryoso. Go!
Ano ba? Oh, wait, anong order? Kahit ano na.
Ay, o-order?
Select na rin.
One piece chicken. Tapos ito.
Please wait until the... Hey guys. Akala ko walang wire. Nagulat pa ako.
So ito po yung iPhone 14 Pro Max. Kita nyo naman po. Ganda.
Ba't bumili siya? Ang ginagawa niya dun? Excuse me, what song are you listening to?
Double it and give it to the next person.
Bye, alis na kami.
Doha, Doha.
Bye-bye.
Ayun na yung Philippine Airlines.
We finally got through security. We're in Qatar, just got through security. Girl. Unfortunately, that is the end to my vlog series in the Philippines. I really wish I vlogged more, but I was more focused on spending time with my family since the opportunity doesn't really come often. Editing these vlogs made me feel at home, and I already miss being with my family, but hopefully I go back sometime soon. If you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.